Hola amigos, today we're going to be making a combination of birria and pozole. This is such a scrumptious dish that you have to try. It starts off exactly how you make the birria by sauteing some onion with some oyster mushrooms and seasoning them, letting them cook while you get your base for the birria sauce going, which is tomato, chiles, onion, and garlic. And then until it's nice and soft, and you blend that up with some of the boiling broth and till it's nice and smooth. And then don't forget to add the crushed bay leaf like I did. Let's see, I added it again. And then you just make your salsa until it's nice and smooth. By this time, your mushroom onion mixture should be nice and browned. And then you're just gonna strain the salsa into your pot, and all those little bits that are left over, you're gonna discard them. You're gonna add your seasonings, apple cider vinegar, some Maggi jugo sauce, and then you just let that simmer with some vegetable or vegan beef broth, and you're just gonna let that simmer to let the flavors like really come together. And then after it's boiling, then you're going to add the cooked oyster mushroom, which is obviously going to take the place of the beef that normally this recipe, beef or goat that normally this recipe uses. Now to make it a vegan birria pozole, we add of course the hominy, and then you serve it just like you would pozole with all your favorite toppings. For me, it's very simple. It's chopped white onion, cilantro, some sliced radishes, lots of lime juice. My mouth is watering already, and some tostaditas on the side, and that's it. It's such a comforting dish. I hope you give it a try.